Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to multiply two positive integers. Okay, so multiplication is just another way of addition. Okay, it's just much easier if you have lots of things and each one of them has lots of pieces. Let's say for example you have 3 pizzas, each has 4 slices. Okay, so each is divided into 4 slices, right? So instead of just counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 slices of pizza, right? What you can do is, so this one has 4 slices, this has 4, this has 4. Now how many pizzas do we have? We have 3 pizzas. Okay, now the easiest way, instead of counting each slice one by one, what you can do is you just multiply 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so an easy way, you just have to count one of them. As long as they are the same, they have the same number of slices of pizza, you just count how many pizzas are there and how many slices in each one. You just multiply them. You don't have to just count everything. Okay, just for example, let's say if there is a box of drinks, Pepsi or whatever it is, right? So what you can do is, if you count how many rows are there and how many columns, let's say here is one can, another, right? It's all 4. Okay, so all you have to do is just count how many rows, how many columns. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4. So all you have to do is just count how many columns, how many rows are there, right? How many rows, sorry, and how many columns are there. So just multiply. So since there are 4 rows and 5 columns, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So you know that there are 20 cans of Pepsi, Coke, whatever drink that there is. Okay, so that's the easiest way. So let's just look at another example here. Let's say we have something that has 15 pieces and there are 8 of them. Okay, 8 boxes. Each box has 15 items in it. What you can do is just multiply them. So you have, in here, as you can see, we just, because there are one digit numbers, you just write the answer. But in here, so you multiply 5 times 8 is 40. You just write the 0 and the carry over 4. Okay, you just keep it because there is another number, there is another number here. So now 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So there are 120 items. Okay, so if you have something, okay, and they have 15, 1 2 3, so it's 8. So let's just say that for the sake of simplicity, this has 15 pieces and 8 of them. You just count 1 and multiply it by 8, you'll get 120. Okay, the same thing with 2-digit numbers. Okay, so what you can do is, so first multiply, forget about 3. Okay, just multiply 16 by 2. So what is 2 times 6? 12. Carry over 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus the carryover, right? 2 plus 1 is 3. 32. Now when you come for the second number, you have to write it in the second row. Okay, so in here the key is that always underneath the first number on this one, okay, on this number, just put a 0. Okay, each row that you go, you have to put a 0. Okay, you have to add 1 extra 0. So on the third line you have to add 2 zeros. On the fourth line you have to add 4 zeros. Okay, so again, now we multiply this number by 16. 3 by 16. What is 3 times 6? 3 times 6 is 18. Carry over 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now we are finished, so we have to add these. What is 2 plus 0? 2. 3 plus 8? 11, carry over 1. Okay? Now, 4, we have nothing here, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay? Now, if you have 3 numbers, let's say if there was 4. Remember, you can switch these numbers back and forth, okay? You can write 13 over 32 over there, 16 over here. It doesn't matter, okay? Just remember that if you have another number, let's say 5, what you can do is, so in the third line, right? In here, you add 2 zeros. Assume that this is not there, okay? Let me just put it in somewhere here. 16 multiplied by 5, 32. Okay, so 2 times 6 is 12, carry over 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 times 6, so we put 1 0 here, 3 times 6 is 18, carry over 1, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, in the second line, I said you add 2 extra zeros. So each line, you add 1 extra zero. So this is 1 0 and then another 0. Now you multiply. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry over 3. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, now you add it the same way. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 8 is 11, carry over 1. Okay, 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, and 8 itself. This is the answer. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.